In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated song clips. To get started, head over to the Create section of the platform. This is the main area where you'll begin generating your music, and it's where the course setup happens. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the available creation options so you can choose the method that best fits the kind of result you want. You'll typically see two main modes, simple and custom. The simple option is prompt-based, which means you can describe the kind of song you want in a straightforward way and let the system handle the structure for you. This is a great choice if you want something fast, easy, and creative without needing to control every detail. It's especially helpful if you're experimenting with ideas or just want to generate music from a general concept. The custom option gives you more control by letting you work with lyrics directly. This is the better choice if you already have specific words in mind and want the generated song to follow that lyrical structure more closely. It's useful when you want the final result to feel more intentional or tailored, especially if you're building around a message, theme, or pre-written text. Once you've decided which mode fits your goal, go ahead and select either simple or custom. The important thing here is just choosing the workflow that matches how much creative control you want. If speed and ease matter most, simple is usually the quickest route. If accuracy and lyrical guidance matter more, custom will likely be the better fit. After making your selection, click Create to begin the rendering process. At that point, the platform will generate two separate song clips, and each one will be about 2 minutes long. Having two versions is helpful because it gives you options to compare. Even if both clips are based on the same input, they may differ in style, pacing, melody, or overall feel. So it's worth listening to both before deciding which one works best